Making your own candy is so much fun. It's like wonder in the kitchen. You can make delicious gummy treats right at home. Imagine the smiles on your family's faces when they see and taste your creations. Let's get started making some yummy memories. This recipe is easy to follow. It's perfect for beginner candy makers. We'll use simple ingredients to make chewy, fruity gummies. Are you ready for a sweet adventure? Let's gather our ingredients and begin. Here's what we'll need to make our delicious gummy candies. Don't worry, everything is easy to find at the grocery store. Unflavored gelatin. This is our gummy base. It's what gives the candies their wonderful texture. Fruit-flavored Jell-O. We'll use this to give our gummies their delicious taste and vibrant colors. Corn syrup. A little bit of corn syrup keeps our gummies nice and chewy. Water. We'll use water to help dissolve the gelatin and Jell-O. Cooking spray. This will prevent the gummies from sticking to the molds. You'll also need a few tools. A saucepan is perfect for heating our mixture. Measuring cups and spoons help us use the right amount of each ingredient. A whisk is handy for stirring everything together. And finally, we'll need gummy molds. You can find fun shapes like hearts, stars, or even animals online or at the craft store. Now comes the fun part, making the gummies. First, lightly coat your gummy molds with cooking spray. This will make it easy to pop the gummies out later. In your saucepan, sprinkle the unflavored gelatin over the cold water. Let it sit for a few minutes to bloom. This means the gelatin will absorb the water and become soft. Next, add the fruit-flavored Jell-O and corn syrup to the saucepan. Turn the heat to low and stir continuously. Keep stirring until the gelatin and Jell-O are completely dissolved, creating a smooth mixture. Once the mixture is ready, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Carefully pour the gummy mixture into your prepared molds. You can use a spoon to help guide the mixture if needed. Gently tap the molds on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This will allow the gummies to set completely. Once the gummies are firm, gently pop them out of the molds. And there you have it, your very own homemade gummy candies. You can experiment with different flavors and colors of Jell-O to create your own unique combinations. Feel free to add a pinch of citric acid to your recipe for a tangy kick. To create stunning layered gummies, simply prepare different colored mixtures and carefully pour them one on top of another in the molds. Store your homemade gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. Now go ahead, take a bite and enjoy the sweet taste of your success.